everyone, it's Kristen. Today we are in Bonaire, joined once again by our friends from the Equinox. Right behind me is our welcome sign, and right in front of me is actually our straw market. Now, a few things before you visit here. There will be some wildlife. I hear there's flamingos and there's donkeys and all that around the island, and there's special protections against those, so take all the pictures you want, but please be kind to the animals. So who wants to go and explore Bonaire? Let's take a look.
Bonaire is part of the Leeward Antilles and is part of the Netherlands. Located 50 miles off the coast of Venezuela and known for its salt mines, Bonaire is a great place to scuba dive. Bonaire is also a leader in wildlife preservation with marine preserves and other environmental initiatives. For those that prefer to support the local artisans, there's a fantastic straw market right as you walk off the pier. You'll find everything there, from unique works of art to one-of-a-kind souvenirs. Rather than taking an excursion, we decided to explore the market. We even got sand art that was signed by the artist. While exploring the market, we found a time capsule created by the Lions Club, which will be opened in 2042. While exploring, there are other interactive exhibits for the entire family to enjoy for free. Overall, we would definitely visit again, but maybe at a different time of year. According to some of the locals, it was actually unseasonably warm. We were there in October, and it was unbelievably hot, but nonetheless breathtaking. So, if you have any questions about Bonaire, or have possibly been there before, comment below. We would love to hear from you. And if you find this video helpful, informative, or just find any of our content helpful, please like and subscribe below. And as always, we'll see you soon. Bon voyage!